Now let's go over how to create talking head videos. Talking head videos is when you're actually looking into the camera while filming, just like I'm doing now, for instance. When starting out, talking head videos can be a little tricky and a bit time consuming. They require much more effort than screencast videos, such as setting up your lighting and camera presence. You don't have to record talking head videos for your channel, but I recommend that you do in order to improve the quality and better connect with your viewers. They can help to increase rapport, give your videos a higher perceived value, and also builds a better relationship with your viewers, which keeps them coming back for more. So let's go over the process that I use to create my talking head videos. For my equipment, I use my microphone, my flip screen HD Canon camera, and multiple LED lights to light up my face and my background. The only software that I need to create my talking head videos is my editing software, Magix Movie Edit Pro. First, you will have to set up your lighting. It can take a while to get your lighting just right, but let's go over how I currently have mine set up. To light up my face, I use two daylight LED lighting kits, both covered with a light diffuser. The diffuser helps to provide a more natural lighting and helps to reduce glares. I also use two LED desk lamps to light up my background. This helps to add more depth to your video and can help to improve the visual quality. Personally, I also like to include some props or background images related to the topic that I'm speaking about. You can get branded posters, shirts, and even coffee mugs from sites like Vistaprint. Once you have your lighting and background set up, you can now create a new project in Magix Movie Edit Pro to record your audio and to also do your post-production editing, similar to the steps we went over when doing the screencast video. To ensure the best quality, you should not record your audio using your camera mic. My audio will be recorded using my editing software and an external microphone, but my talking head will be filmed using my Canon flip screen camera. I will later have to sync up my audio file with the video file from the SD card on my camera. I like to use my Canon flip screen camera to record my talking head videos because it allows me to see exactly what's on the video screen while I'm recording. So to get started, I will hit record on both my camera and also on my editing software. I will then have my script or talking points handy and film the entire video in one take. This doesn't mean I don't make mistakes, but mistakes can be easily edited in post-production. If you do make a mistake, you can simply clap, which will give you an indicator of where you messed up in your video, then restart from the previous sentence. When speaking, you want to look directly into the camera lens. Even with the flip screen camera, you can clearly tell whether I'm looking at the camera lens or the screen. You also want to be overly enthusiastic. It may seem strange at first, but you will notice this comes across much better on camera. Once you finish recording your entire video, you can take the SD card out of your camera, save the file to your computer, then drag the video file over to a track on Magix Movie Edit Pro. I like to put my video file in track 1 and move my audio file down to track 3. This allows me to put the camera audio in track 2 and sync up my video with my audio. To do this, I will put the video and camera audio on separate tracks, then visually sync up the camera audio with the microphone audio. Once they are matched up perfectly, I can now delete the camera audio and link my video with my microphone audio. Now you can edit your video and remove any mistakes. You can use the audio wave to locate any pauses and also locate where you clapped in order to remove the sections where you made mistakes. You can easily tell where you clapped at by looking for the huge spikes in your audio wave. Once you've edited your video and removed all mistakes, you can now spice it up a bit. I like to fade my videos in and also fade them out to provide a nice visual effect. I can also add images to a new track from sites like Pixabay or Pexels. Adding images and text helps to create movement in your videos and gives your students a better understanding of what you're actually talking about. To add text, you can simply select the text button here, write what you want to say, then select your font style, text colors, and other settings. You can also resize your text and add all sorts of other elements, such as making your text fade in and out. Once your video has been edited and enhanced with images and text, you can now export your completed video. Make sure your export settings are set to MP4 with a resolution of 1280 by 720, a frame rate of 29.97, and a ratio of 16 by 9. Your audio default settings should be fine at 48,000 Hz and 128 kilobits per second. Make sure you save it to a location that will be easy to find when you're ready to upload your video to your YouTube channel. So let's take a look at the example talking head video that I just created. Remember, this is just a test, and I'll be talking nonsense. When filming talking head videos, make sure you look directly into the camera lens. You can easily tell when I'm looking in the lens or if I'm looking at the camera screen. Also, make sure you're enthusiastic and show your personality. So that's the process that I like to use when filming my talking head videos. In the next video, we will be going over how to create a combination video by combining a screencast with the talking head video. I'll see you in the